So here we have wooden stove and the control for the air, inlet air, so that when the wood is burning, the correct amount of air can be let into the stove, into the combustion chamber. And here we have the display of the control system. So outside temperature, inside temperature where I am, exhaust chimney temperature, position of the valve. Now it's fully closed. And here we have the time. And then we have the electronic part, which is inside here. Main board is a Commodore 64 board, and then we have expansion cards attached to the user port for reading sensors, driving stuff like the valve and so on. Backup battery for the clock. So here we go. We enter the menu. We turn the value of phase into start, and it flashes green. Give OK, and the valve opens. Now we can lit on the fire. Then when the temperature rises and after it has reached its maximum value, the Commodore 64 will gradually close the inlet valve, because the fire will not need so much air until the temperature is low enough to have the valve fully closed. And this will keep the heat inside the stove. Otherwise, the chimney will keep on flowing air, and the heat will go out from the chimney and not remain inside the combustion chamber. Now we can check the temperature rising. Now it's 88. Let's see if it rises. Takes a while. Yep, here it goes. Going up. Then we can check the rest of the menu here. Set time for setting the clock. Alarm for setting the alarm. I still have to connect some audio speaker to the system, so the SID is not basically outputting anything or to anything. And here we have setting page for setting all the numbers, and second setting page. Now we have also log page, which tells you what it is doing. I can go back. Now temperature is rising. Fire has been lit. We can do one test. We can set this the valve control to manual, and close the valve manually. Actually, software is not really complete. The knob control is not perfect, I would say. Okay, now give confirmation, exit. 97% closed. The valve is closed now, or rather it is closing. And we should see the fire dying quite soon. Takes a while because the valve closes very slowly, and also it has still some air in the combustion chamber. Yep, now you can already see the fire little by little that it is dying. Takes a while. Yeah, now the valve is 99% closed. Yeah, now it's there. It's dying. You can see that it is really dying because the valve is closed. Now we give the automatic command to the Commodore 64 back again. Auto. And let's see what happens. The valve opens gradually. Takes a little bit because before the combustion starts again. But let's see what happens. Yep, it's turning red. Air is flowing in. Come on. Yep, there it goes. Commodore 64 opened the valve again, and we have fire once more. Okay, this was just a show. So valve is 1% closed. Will be 0% closed because the signal is heavily filtered. There you go, 0. Okay, that's all.